Hello everyone, this is lesson number 59 and let's continue. Let's repeat what we learned before. 难过,难过 to feel bad. 成绩,成绩 achievement grades. 照相机,照相机 camera photo camera. 信用卡,信用卡 credit card. 玩,玩 ball, ball. And today, first word is dong, dong, east. The sun rises in the east, rises in the east. 太阳从东边升起，太阳 the sun 从 from 东边，东边，东边east side 边 here is like side from east side 升起，升 it's to rise, qi it's towards up, so 升起 rises. 太阳，太阳从东边升起，升起。This one. Let's see next one. I walk towards the east. You remember this towards 向，向。我向东走。I towards 我向东 east 走走 walk 我向东走 I walk towards the east. Next one. The boat in the east is very beautiful. 东边的船很漂亮。东边的 the east 东边的船 it's a boat 很漂亮，很漂亮 very beautiful. 东边的船很漂亮。The boat in the east is very beautiful. So this Tron boat and it's described 东边的船 the east boat in the east. Next one is bay. Bay. It's a by or a word for passive voice. Let's see. I was cared for by him. 我被他关心了。关心 it's care to care of someone, to take care. 关心了 I take care of someone, right? 我关心了 but not I was cared. 我被他 I by him. 我被他关心了 I was cared by him. I was cared for by him. 我被他关心了，关心了。Let's see another one. The bowl was washed clean by me. So this bowl cannot clean by itself, right? By someone. One the bowl. One 被我洗干净了。One the bowl 被我 by me 被我洗 to clean 洗 to wash to clean 洗干净干净 it's clean so washed clean it's 洗干净了 here is clean it's an adjective and wash and see it's so you clean also it's not too clean it's clean 洗干净了 and because it's ed so we need to add right past simple or present perfect 碗被我洗干净了。or you can write it's 我洗 or you can say 被我洗干净了 washed clean. Next one, he was affected by feeling bad. 他被难过影响了。影响 it's to impact, to affect, to influence to someone. So he was affected by feeling bad. So here's 难过 it's okay, of course it's adjective, but you can say here is a state to be, to feeling bad. 他被 he because of from or by 难过影响了 被难过影响。He was affected by feeling bad. Next one is 关心，关心。Oh, 关心 to care for, to be concerned with something. Let's see. I care about his grades. I care about his grades. 我关心 take care or care 他的成绩。As you can see, we in Chinese we don't use about, we just use take care. Sorry, about something already implied. 我关心他的成绩，成绩 grades。我关心他的成绩。I care about his grades. 关心。Let's say another one. Close heart, right? 关心. But you can just it's not so strict. She is very concerned about me. 她很关心我。He is very concerned. 很关心 very concerned 我 about me. 他很关心我。Next one. He scared for by the neighbor. 他被邻居关心。He cared for by the neighbor. So by here's 被，他被邻居it's neighbor 关心 to take care. So the neighbor take care of him. So he has cared for by the neighbor. 他被邻居关心。他被邻居关心。Next one, it's a grammar point. 只有什么什么才什么什么。Only that. Let's see. 只有 it's only 才 that. Let's see. Only by working hard can you succeed. 只有 you can imagine only if you have. 只有努力 working hard. 只有努力才能 that or you can only or in that case 才能成功 you can succeed 才能成功只有努力才能成功 if you haven't if you're working hard you can succeed. Let's say another variation. Only I have a camera. 只有我才有照相机 camera. It's a bit a bad example. Let's say only I have a camera. I think it's not so red, but still. 只有我才有照相机 Only I have a camera. 只有我才有照相机 But let's say another example. Only by caring can you solve the problem. This one is okay. 只有关心 only if you care. In that case 才能解决问题解决 to solve 问题 problem 解决问题 to solve problem 只有关心才能解决问题 Only by caring can you solve the problem. It's a bit not easy, but still not so hard, right? Only if you have something, in that case, you can do something like that. Only if you care of your problem, in that case, you can solve the problem, right? And last one for today is fun. Fun. Here's fun has a lot of different meanings, but here's just difference or to differentiate. I can differentiate colors. 我能 I can 分 or sometimes it could be 分辨 分辨颜色，颜色 colors 颜色。Here's 分辨. It's a bit advanced word. Distinguish, identify, difference between, differentiate. So you can use 分, you can use 分辨 just for more exactly. 我能分辨颜色. I can differentiate colors. 分辨颜色. There is a big difference in grades. 成绩有很大的分别。成绩 grades 有 has 很大的分别。分别 grades. So 分别 here is a difference. So you can say 分 分别 respectively individual name, but distinguish, right? Difference, distinguish. This word has a bit advanced meaning. We will meet HSK 05, but for now it's okay. 成绩有很大的分别. Grades has a big difference. There is a big difference in the grades. 成绩有很大的分别. And last one, he can't distinguish between east and west. 他分不清东和西。分 is to distinguish, but 分不清 cannot distinguish. Confused, distinguish between, confused about, can tell. So 分不清. It's a bit also advanced, but here is 清 just clear, clean. So he cannot clearly distinguish something. You can say 他分不清东 east 和西 and west 和西 west, right? 他分不清东和西 He cannot distinguish east and west. 他分不清东和西. И посмотрим дальше. And let's see next one. 东 east, 东 北 by a word for passive voice 北. 关心 to care of, to be concerned with. 只有什么什么才什么什么。只有分 difference to differentiate 分. And let's see one new idiom for today. Last time we learned 杞人忧天. The man from Qi worries about the sky. So unnecessary worry. 杞人忧天. Yo here is to worry about something. Worry and anxious. Today we learn new one. 坐井观天. 坐 to sit, we know. 井 here is well. A well when you can where you can drink water. 观 observe. 天 sky. Sit in a well and watch the sky. Or narrow-minded because you can right in a well, not big. Observation. Point. He is narrow-minded and doesn't understand the world. 他坐井观天不了解世界。他坐井观天 so he is narrow-minded. 不了解 not understand 了解世界 world 世界。坐井观天坐井观天 to sit in a well and watch the sky. 坐井观天 so be narrow-minded. Very interesting idiom. And next lesson will be last. And see you there.